did this 3 times.
This is my bipod. This is our 3rd round of doing this. Hopefully we get, third round of doing this. Hopefully we get it right this time. There you go, bipod. Now focus on the pliers.
Okay.
These the pliers. Crescent wrench. This is the package, bud. 2-in-1. CCP 8V. Yes. Okay. These pliers, I got them locked right now here in. These are wire strippers, and this here is to twist your wire, unlock it, flip it around, lock it. Now you really don't have to, but if you lock it, you got lineman pliers. And they got some pretty nice grooves in there. They're not hex marked like your others, but they are in there. My bipod's already tried out the cutters. I mean, it's a pretty thick wire. They won't strip this wire, so you gotta use a knife. Shoot, won't cut it either. It's alright, my clients won't cut it either. There you go. Cut it. Log it. Well, let's open it up, see if we can get them opened up here. They look pretty good. I mean, it lost a little bit of its collaring, but that's a pretty thick dang wire. We're going to throw that on the table. We're going to come back around here. We're going to lock these back in. Wire strippers. Okay, here we go. I don't know why I got that in 20. I'm going to try a 14 gauge on that. Look at that. Look at that. Brand new. We'll do it again. I like these ones.
Mention that Grandma got them for you?
Yep. There you go. I can't hold on to that one. That never hurt my fingers. Then I've got a different size here. We'll go down here. And do a little bit of twist. That might be wrong side. Let's go up one. There we go. Up one. Effortless. Gotta love them. I like them. No, I didn't. Okay. I like them. They got the comfort grip ball on the Crescent wrench. My girlfriend got them for me. I love her to death. I'm not worried about having wire crimpers. If I got to do the, excuse me. If I got to do any crimping of anything, I got crimpers in here in the toolbox. They're longer, and I can use them. My hands just can't take it no more on this little stuff. And just stripping that wire, trying to hang on to it, just kind of hurt my fingers from trying to hold on to the wire. Getting old, use my hands too much wrenching.
Can I do the end?
So we're gonna make this short, sweet, and happy. Like I said, my girlfriend got them for me. I'm a happy camper. Got my bipod out here. This is the 3rd run, so we will say bye, Sam, you bipod.
Bye. Watch his videos.
Thanks, bro. See y'all.